Brand new front porch rails, coated in Kong armor, the world's toughest deck armor. But Kong armor is also for outdoor structures like this. I do quite a few of these front porch rails, the post, and we coat them in Kong and they turn out really thick built and beautiful. I just walked up on this, so I'm not sure if it's 100% done or not, but boy, what was here was beat down and tore up, and you can see we've come in with new rails and put those up today. Now we're coating it out, putting that thick build film on it everywhere. You know, before this, down here at the bottom at the spindles, all that was cracking and stuff, and water could get down in there. And the way these are designed with this bottom rail like this, if they have cracks at the bottom of the spindles, the water gets in there and it gets to the fastener and it corrodes all that. But this, boy, I'll tell you, Kong's film is thick, tough, and it's rated to take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, all that stuff up to hurricane wind speeds. We're also doing their front door. These two little panels here, I threw that in, said go ahead and coat that for them. But look how gorgeous. I think this actually gets another coat, so this will get higher build, an actual thicker build on it, prettier, gorgeous than it already is. Backed, Kong's backed. So Kong's backed with a lifetime service promise. We'll come out and we'll wash this for them annually, do spot touch-ups on it if they need it. If they ever have massive failure or some type of poor trade, Kong is also backed by a lifetime limited warranty. So backed here locally in the tri-state with local service and warranty. Hard to beat, hard to beat. Very beautiful. Not done yet, but turning out very, very beautiful. Look at that island sand, gorgeous. Tell you what, if you're having problems with your front porch and rail systems, go to kongarmor.com. Get your new rails, kick out your old rails, get your new rails, get your posts coated, get your whole front porch coated, whole front porch section coated, and a lifetime coating system, right? That's where you need to be on this. Go to kongarmor.com and we'll get you set up. Sign up for a free quote. See you.